Let's know New Historicism. Definition. New Historicism is a literary theory that views literature as a part of history and culture. It studies how texts are shaped by social, political, and power structures of their time, and how texts themselves influence history. 2. Key features. Literature is not isolated but deeply connected with history, culture, and ideology. 2. Focuses on power relations inspired by Michel Foucault's ideas of discourse and power. Rejects the idea of one fixed truth in history, emphasizes multiple perspectives. Uses non-linear texts, that is, letters, diaries, legal documents, newspapers, along with literary works to understand cultural context. Stresses the circulation of power between literature, politics, religion, and society. Major thinkers of New Historicism. Stephen Greenblatt, considered the founder. His book Renaissance Self-Fashioning 1980 popularized New Historicism. Michel Foucault influenced New Historicism with theories on discourse, knowledge, and power. Other contributors: Louis Montrose, Catherine Gallagher. 4. Method of reading. Pairs a literary text with a non-linear text from the same period. Example, Shakespeare's plays with historical records, sermons, or travel writings. Looks for hidden ideologies, contradictions, and power struggles in the text. 5. Examples in literature. Shakespeare's The Tempest, studied as a play about colonialism, power, and control. Christopher Marlowe's Dr. Faustus, examined in context of Renaissance debates on religion, science, and authority. Tom Morrison's Beloved, read in relation to American slavery and cultural memory. Importance. 1. Breaks the boundary between literature and history. 2. Helps us see how texts both reflect and shape power structures. 3. Useful for analyzing race, class, gender, colonialism, and cultural politics. In short, New Historicism is literature plus history plus power plus culture.